Hello friends, in this video you will learn about how to create YouTube channel. Before that you must have to log in your Google account. After that click on Google Apps button, then click on YouTube. Click on channel profile, then click on create a channel. Now you have to click on upload picture. Select desired logo image file. Customize it, then click on done. Now write channel name. After that click on create channel. Here you see channel has been created. Click on customize channel. Here you see studio setting. Click on branding. Here you see channel logo has already been set. You can see requirement for logo or you may change it or remove it. Now move downward. Here you see requirement for channel banner. Click on upload in front of banner image. Select desired banner image file. Here you see viewable on TV. Here you see viewable on desktop. Here you see viewable on all devices. After that click on done. Here below you see video watermark. This watermark will appear on your videos in right hand corner of the video player. Click on upload in front of video watermark. Select desired watermark image file, then say done. Select timing, I choose entire video. After that click on basic information, enter channel description that define your channel content. Move downward, then write contact email. Now click on publish button to save it, and that's it.